If your family loves fun and adventure, you're in the right place. Welcome to our channel, where every video is a new journey. Dive into thrilling mysteries, heartwarming real-life stories, and suspenseful dramas that keep everyone on the edge of their seats. And that's not all. We've got entertaining tutorials, fun learning activities for kids, and engaging content for adults too. It's a one-stop shop for family entertainment. So what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, like, comment, and share our videos with your friends and family. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest adventures. Join our growing community and let's make every day a fun-filled experience together. See you in our next video.
What's up, everybody? It's True Life and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of credit card points. Because let's be real, who doesn't love free stuff? We're talking flights, hotels, cash back. You name it, you can probably get it with points if you know how to play your cards right. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Credit card points? That's so confusing. I can barely keep track of my bills. Trust me, I get it. It can seem overwhelming, but that's why I'm here to break it all down for you in this ultimate guide. We're going to cover the most common ways to redeem those hard-earned points, so you can finally start treating yourself without breaking the bank. We'll be looking at everything from booking that dream vacation to getting cold, hard cash back in your pocket. So buckle up, grab your credit card statements, and let's turn those points into some serious rewards. All right, let's kick things off with everyone's favorite way to redeem points travel. Now, most credit card issuers have their own travel portals. Think of it like Expedia or Kayak, but run by your credit card company. You can book flights, hotels, rental cars, even cruises, all through that portal using your points. The beauty of these portals is the convenience. You're not limited to specific airlines or hotel chains, and you can often find some pretty decent deals. But here's where it gets even better. Transferring your points to airline and hotel loyalty programs. This is where you can unlock some serious value, especially for those luxurious business class flights or penthouse suites. Think about it, transferring your points to a program like Chase Ultimate Rewards or American Express membership. Rewards opens up a whole world of possibilities. You can fly with partners like Singapore Airlines, Emirates, stay at Ritz-Carlton properties, the list goes on. And the best part? You often get way more value for your points this way compared to just booking through the portal. For example, let's say you're eyeing a round-trip flight to Paris that costs $1,000. Booking through the portal might set you back 80,000 points. But if you transfer those same points to the right airline partner, you might snag that same flight for only 50,000 points. That's a massive saving, and it leaves you with extra points for, you guessed it, more travel. Remember, not all points are created equal. Some programs have better transfer partners or offer better value for specific airlines or hotels. So do your research, compare your options, and see which transfer partners align best with your travel goals. Trust me, the extra effort is well worth it when you're sipping champagne in business class on your way to Bali. Okay, so maybe you're not a jet setter, maybe you prefer to keep things grounded and practical. Well, that's where cashback comes in. It's exactly what it sounds like. You earn points and you redeem them for cash. Simple, straightforward, and oh so satisfying. Now, there are a couple of ways you can get that cash back. The most common method is applying your points as a statement credit. Basically, you tell your credit card company, hey, I want to use my points to pay off part of my bill. They deduct the equivalent cash value from your balance, and boom, you just saved yourself some money. Another option is direct deposit. Some cards allow you to link your bank account and transfer the cash value of your points directly. It's like getting a little bonus deposited right into your account. And of course, there's always the good old-fashioned check. You can request a check for the cash value of your points and deposit it like any other check. Now, I know what you're thinking. Graham, where's the fun in cash back? It's not as exciting as free flights. And you know what? You're right. But here's the thing. Cashback is incredibly versatile. You can use it for anything, groceries, gas, that new phone you've been eyeing. Plus, it's a great way to offset your everyday expenses and save money in the long run. Think of it this way. Every time you swipe your credit card, you're essentially getting a mini discount on your purchases. And who doesn't love a good discount? All right, let's talk about something a little more tangible. Merchandise and gift cards. Yes, you can actually redeem your hard-earned points for physical goods and gift cards to your favorite stores. It's like having a secret stash of points just waiting to be unleashed on your shopping sprees. Most credit card issuers have their own online marketplaces where you can browse through a wide selection of merchandise. We're talking electronics, home appliances, kitchen gadgets, fashion accessories, you name it, they probably have it. Now, the selection can vary depending on the card issuer, but you can usually find some pretty decent deals. Just be sure to compare the point value to the actual retail price of the item to make sure you're getting a good deal. But here's the real kicker: gift cards. This is where things get interesting. Most credit card companies let you redeem your points for gift cards to major retailers, restaurants, entertainment venues, you name it. We're talking Amazon, Target, Starbucks, Airbnb. The possibilities are pretty much endless. And here's the best part. You can often snag these gift cards at a discount. For example, you might be able to get a $50 gift card for only 4,000 points, which is a fantastic deal. Plus, it's like giving yourself a free shopping spree or a guilt-free excuse to finally try that new restaurant everyone's been raving about. Now, for those of you who crave a little more excitement and want to create unforgettable memories, let's talk about redeeming your points for experiences, because let's be real, experiences are what truly enrich our lives, right? Many credit card companies offer access to exclusive events and experiences that you can unlock using your points. We're talking concert tickets to see your favorite artists, VIP access to sporting events, tickets to Broadway shows, and even once-in-a-lifetime opportunities like private wine tastings or cooking classes with renowned chefs. Imagine yourself courtside at an NBA Finals game, rocking out at a sold-out concert, or enjoying a gourmet meal prepared just for you by a Michelin star chef. These are the kinds of experiences that money can't always buy, but your points can. The key here is to check your credit card company's website or app regularly to see what experiences are available. They often partner with different organizations and event organizers to offer a diverse range of options. So whether you're a die-hard sports fan, a music enthusiast, or a foodie at heart, there's bound to be an experience that tickles your fancy. And the best part? These experiences often come with added perks like early access, meet and greets with performers, or exclusive merchandise. It's all about creating those unforgettable moments that you'll cherish for years to come. So there you have it, folks. We've covered the most popular ways to redeem your credit card points, travel, cashback, merchandise and gift cards, and experiences. Remember, the best redemption method ultimately depends on your individual needs and preferences. Take some time to understand your card's rewards program, explore the different redemption options, and crunch the numbers to see which method gives you the most bang for your buck. Or should I say, point for your point. Don't forget to smash that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks on maximizing your credit card rewards. And be sure to let me know in the comments down below what your favorite way to redeem your points is. Until next time, keep hustling, keep earning those points, and keep living your best life. Why are there not more people talking about our channel? Because they're too busy having fun. Welcome to your new favorite entertainment channel. We've got true-to-life documentaries that will inspire you, children's music and stories that will delight the little ones, exciting dramas that will keep you on the edge of your seat, and hilarious, funny stories that will make you laugh out loud. And don't forget our Fright Night and scary stories. They'll give you goosebumps and have you hiding under the covers. So sit back, relax, and leave the entertainment to us. We've got a little bit of everything, and it's all right here on our channel. You'll be amazed at how much fun we pack into every video. Don't miss out. Subscribe now, like, comment, and share this video with everyone you know. And hit that notification bell so you never miss a moment of the fun and thrills. Stay with us today and come back for more anytime. See you soon.